Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Fonts pairing with Adobe Illustrator step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Fonts website. Browse through the available fonts and choose a pair that complements each other. Select the first font by clicking on it to view its details. Once you've decided, click the Select this style button to add it to your collection. Next, scroll down to the second font you wish to pair and repeat the selection process. After selecting both fonts, click the View Your Selected Families button at the bottom right corner. A new window will appear showing the fonts you've chosen. Here, you will find an Embed section. At the top, make sure to select the Standard tab. Copy the provided link by clicking the clipboard icon next to it. Now, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once Illustrator is open, go to the top menu and select File. From the drop-down menu, choose New to create a new document. In your new document, go to the Type menu located in the top menu bar. Select Add Fonts from Typekit or Add Fonts depending on your version of Illustrator. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your Adobe account if you're not already signed in. After logging in the search bar, paste the name of your first Google font. Click on the font when it appears in the search results. Then click on Sync or Add, allowing it to download and install the font. Repeat this process for your second Google font. Once both fonts are installed, close the window. Back in your Illustrator document, create a text box using the Type tool. Type out your desired text within the box. Highlight the text you want to change. Navigate to the Character panel either from the right sidebar or by selecting Window and then Type from the top menu. In the Character panel, click on the Font drop-down menu. Scroll through to find your first Google font and select it. Adjust the font size and style as needed to achieve the desired look. For the second part of your text, create a new text box and repeat the font selection process. Choose the second font from the drop-down menu in the Character panel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.